The Oracle MICROS Workstation 3 is our most compact POS terminal. Purpose-built for harsh remote environments, Workstation 3 has the speed, power, and versatility to adapt with restaurants as their needs evolve. Setting up a Workstation 3 is an easy process that you can complete in just a few minutes' time. In this video, we'll unbox and set up our Workstation 310 and some of its common peripheral devices: a flexible stand, a thermal printer, a cash drawer, and a barcode scanner. So let's get started. To complete this step, you'll simply need a tool that will allow you to cut the tape that secures the box. Let's start with the workstation. Begin by using your tool to cut the tape securing the box. Be sure to apply gentle pressure when cutting the tape, as the devices underneath could be damaged by sharp objects. Once the box is open, take each item from their box, remove their plastic wrapping and place them nearby for easy access. Once unpackaged, you should have the following items in front of you: the Workstation 310, the Workstation 310 I/O panel cover, magnetic cards often used for employee sign-in, and zip ties for cable management. Next, open and unpackage the rest of your devices. Be sure to place the contents of each box close together for quick access during setup. Now that you've unpacked your hardware, it's time to set up. Before starting setup, it's important to consider the placement of your workstation. It will need to be in a spot with ample access to your power, and your Ethernet connection will also need to be available. Also, if you've had any contractors drill any holes in your counter to feed cabling, consider that during placement as well. Once you've found your spot, it's time to get started with assembly. To start, grab your cash drawer, the Ethernet cable that will connect to your workstation, and any power cords that require plug-in to an outlet or surge protector. Plug all of the power cords into a surge protector or other power conditioning device. Feed the power cords and the Ethernet cable through the hole in the back of the cash drawer. Next, let's connect your Workstation 3 to the stand. Grab your Workstation 3 and place it nearby the stand. Now grab your Workstation 3 stand and tilt its neck backwards before proceeding. This will make the connection process a bit easier. On your Workstation 3, you'll notice 4 locating tabs. Those tabs are meant to fit into the 4 corresponding holes on the stand. Using the tabs as guides, place the Workstation 3 on the stand. Once the Workstation 3 is placed on the stand, pull the Workstation 3 towards the front of the stand until you hear a click. This click indicates that the Workstation 3 is secured in place. Now let's plug your Workstation 3 power cord into the Workstation 3. To start, grab your Workstation 3 power cable, also fed through the back of the cash drawer. Tilt the workstation stand over carefully and feed the power cord through the base of the workstation and out the neck. Weave it through the cable management tool to minimize the appearance of cabling once done. Next, plug the Workstation 3 power cord into the back of the Workstation 3. At this point, your Workstation 3 should be on its stand, and the stand should be sitting atop your cash drawer. To finish up, let's connect your peripherals. First, let's connect the cash drawer to your Workstation 3. To do this, take your cash drawer connector and feed it through the bottom of the workstation stand so that it hangs out of the stand neck. Next, plug the cash drawer connector into the CD1 port on the back of the Workstation 3. Now it's time to connect your thermal printer. Grab your thermal printer and connect its power cord. Next, connect the included IDN cable to the back of the printer. Take the other end of the cord and feed it through the bottom of the workstation stand so that it hangs out of the stand neck. Next, plug the IDN cable into the IDN port on the back of the Workstation 3. Finally, let's connect your barcode scanner. Grab your barcode scanner and place it next to your workstation on whatever side you wish. Take the cord attached to the barcode scanner and feed it through the bottom of the workstation stand so that it hangs out of the stand neck. Next, plug the barcode scanner cable into an available USB port on the back of the Workstation 3. Now, to finish off setup, attach the Workstation 3 back plate to the Workstation 3. Flip your Workstation 3 monitor towards the front of the stand and you're all done with setup. With hardware setup now complete, it's time to start up your workstation.